Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Propchain coin. Ticker symbol is Propc. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing November 30th. We're going to go over the information on the Propchain and how you can get the coin in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So this coin is being listed November 30th at 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this coin and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this coin here, simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Propc, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So Propchain is a real estate investing marketplace that provides its users with the tools to invest in global real estate properties and developments of all natures, sizes, valuations, and locations. Propchain makes use of blockchain technology to facilitate your experience on our platform and allows you to invest in fractionalized real estate opposed to traditional real estate investing methods. Now, they have a bunch of different socials. They have a Twitter, Telegram, Facebook. They have their official webpage, propchain.com. On there, you can find a full white paper. Even though it's called Propchain and Propc, you would think that maybe that stands for coin, and chain implies blockchain, and you would think it runs on its own chain. This is actually just an Ethereum token. They have a lot of holders so far, 4,046 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million Propc tokens. So yeah, it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Their Twitter is, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at Propchain Global. 57,100 Twitter followers. And it has a link to their dApp, their decentralized application on there. dApp.propchain.io. They also have a full link tree there you can check out. It's going to have all the links that I just mentioned there. If you go to their webpage, they want you to verify that you're a human. If you are going to... If you're going to download their white paper for some reason, they want you to put in your name and email to download the white paper. That's kind of annoying. That's not going to happen today. Maybe it's just this Explorer that I'm using. Maybe you'll be able to open it up on a different Explorer though. So blockchain ecosystem for real-world asset and prop tech solutions, where real estate meets blockchain, unlocking the possibilities of home ownership and investment solutions to craft lasting legacies. So they've been seen in different news articles like Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Binance, some other Times that's very hard to read there. Why Propchain? Bridging the gap between real estate and technology. In an age where the line between the tangible and the digital realms blurs, Propchain emerges as a beacon of innovation. We understand the intrinsic value of real-world assets and recognize the transformative prowess of modern prop tech solutions. Propchain was conceived to bridge this very gap by integrating blockchain's trust, transparency, and efficiency. We're not only enhancing the management and transactions of RWAs, but also unlocking new avenues of accessibility, security, and growth. With Propchain, experience the future where every real asset benefits from the zenith of technological evolution. From bricks to bytes, leading the RWA and PropTech blockchain revolution. So Propchain stands as a vanguard in the blockchain-powered real-world assets and PropTech space, leveraging a proprietary tech infrastructure. We've meticulously crafted tailored blockchain solutions that resonate with the unique demands of RWA and PropTech. But our vision extends beyond mere technology. We're integrating human expertise and capital strategies into our ecosystem by pioneering in-house solutions and fostering collaborative innovation. Propchain not only propels the industry but also invites contributors to co-create value, ensuring our platform remains at the cutting edge of blockchain real estate innovation. Some of the ecosystem's benefits is blockchain and PropTech harnessing microservices and advanced blockchain technology for robust solutions. Integrated approach, delivering unparalleled technology, human and capital solutions to propel the industry forward. Collaborative ecosystem, enabling mutual growth and partners and innovators driving continuous value creation. So the ecosystem, blockchain-powered foundation, amplifying value creation. The Propchain ecosystem thrives on our proprietary building, secured and open source blockchain architecture empowered by technological tools like smart contracts that elevate the experience in engaging real-world assets. Venture capital for growth, RWA and PropTech layer. They have the Propchain verticals, so there's staking, and then there's a digital board. You can view that in their DApp. You can invest with Propc.com. Found a home that you want to own? Accelerate your ownership dreams with us. Find finance and secure your dream home effortlessly. Institutional grade asset tokenization. They have that coming soon. They have a very lengthy roadmap. Basically starts with birth of Propchain, market validation, legal research, brand foundation, product and team establishment, product requirements, initial product design, seed round of the utility token, private round, kickoff of the web and smart contract development, Dubai penthouse, incorporation of secularization vehicle, completion of all large legal offering documentation. Then we got launch of the first private MVP Dubai, listing of the Dubai penthouse for sale there, opening Propchain office in Business Bay, granting of VASP registration in Lithuania, Alpha Web platform launch, token contract audits by Zokio, and then just continues from there. It just keeps going. Very lengthy roadmap. Check it all out, propchain.com, and you can find the Propc token newly listed here on Mexc Global starting, let's see here, November 30th at 9 o'clock UTC time. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so one of you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Propchain? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And if you want to help support the channel, you can always check out the Patreon link in the description box. Check out my Facebook in the description box. And if you want to hit that join button or super thanks, I appreciate that as well. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.